Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to add auto captions to Instagram Reels and Shorts. So since Instagram does not have the feature anymore, or it depends on your device and where you're located. So for example, here when we add a photo or video to our story and we want to add an auto caption, we'll have to click on this, and then from that we'll be able to see it from here. But unfortunately that feature is not available anymore, so I have an alternative solutions for you. So now you just have to close your Instagram application and then go to your CapCut application on your device. Okay, I recommend you to use a CapCut. Okay, just wait. Okay, sorry, this one. So just click on this plus icon here and then add the video that you want to add an auto caption, and then click on add. Okay, that's right. Now click on the text. Okay, and then click on auto lyrics. Okay, now click on start, and then as you can see at the top corner, it's now creating your auto lyrics. And finally, as you can see under your video, you can now see your lyrics. So right after viewing everything, you can now click on the save button at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, this one. And wait for a few seconds to save your video. Now go back to your Instagram application. Okay. And then click on your photo album at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then add the video that you have just edited. And now you can add it to your story with an auto caption. So that's it. That's how you can add an auto caption to Instagram Reels and Shorts. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.